Hello Starshine and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi. If you're new to my channel, what I love is nail art. And what I'm going to do today is create some for you. And we're going to use almost everything you see, but that really pretty transfer foil, I'm going to change my mind. I'm going to change my mind about that. And you'll see in a bit what I end up doing. What we're going to do is create a nice French. We're not going to do traditional French colors. We're going to go ahead and do whatever we want. And what we want today is to use color changing polish. And we're going to make the French on two of the nails this real pretty pink nail bed. On the thumbnail, we're going to reverse it. I'm not going to show that, but we are going to reverse it. But I do show you two of the Frenches. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. I'm just using this real pretty brush to finesse that French line. Once you lay down the polish, it's real easy to actually do that if you struggle with trying to make the line first. So just try it this way. I actually find it's quicker for me personally. Two of the nails are going to be that pretty green color that we are going to use for the French tip on the other two nails. And like I said, on the thumb, we're going to reverse. We're going to do green on the nail bed and pink on the tip. And when you see it, it's pretty cute. It's pretty cute, you guys. And here we are coming in and finessing that French line. A nice skinny brush, almost as much of your best friend as the cleanup brush. And if you're a friend of the channel for a while, you know my cleanup brush is my favorite brush. And I am the queen of cleanups. So now I'm going to come in with a base coat, and we're going to base coat all of these nails. And in that juicy base coat, we're going to lay down some really cute glitter. Because can you get enough glitter? I know we've got some glitter already in the green, but it's more like a very light shimmery glitter. We're going to add some glitter. We're going to start with some butterflies. On the green nails, we're going to use a complementary pinky color. It's almost like a rosy gold sort of color, but they're also holographic. So if you like the hollow, this look would definitely be up your alley. A couple more butterflies, a little more glitter. Here we go. We're just swooshing it around. There's no rhyme or reason. I didn't have any thoughts in my head other than I wanted a little glitter swoosh, and I just let the brush go where it went and created happy little, not accidents, I guess, because it really wasn't an accident, but you know, just happy little placements. Wherever the glitter wanted to be, that's where I wanted it to go. We're going to continue with this across all of the nails. All the nails are going to look very similar. There's not going to be one plain nail at all in this whole set. We just went for it, y'all. We just went for it. And then on the thumb, because it's a little bigger, and here it is looking so cute with the reverse French. Tell me that's not adorable. I absolutely love it. We're going to put both the colors because the thumb's bigger and it can take it, right? And maybe you don't like it, maybe you do. I think it came out pretty cute. And we just sort of came around it around the whole French with it, and a little swoosh down into the tip. Now you can see the pretty flowers I ended up choosing. We're going to pop 5 of those into that water, and then we're going to use the slide off technique. That's my favorite one, unless I'm working on myself, because you don't have 2 hands. And I just slide it off a little bit, place it where I wanted, and pull the paper out. Then I just take a little, I like it to be really wet, because then you've got time to move it where you want it to go. And I just use a little paper towel to suck up the extra water so that it's not wet. And I do let it sit for a couple of minutes just to make sure all the water's evaporated off before I put the top coat on, because water can definitely interfere with your top coat. So you want to make sure your nail is nice and dry. And onto the top coat. And on all of these nails that are Frenches, we're going to add a little more sparkle in the form of gems. So like normal, I'm just laying this in the top coat on these tips. But if you were doing this on yourself or on tips that were going to actually be worn by somebody, you would want to use some gem glue or some gel or some gem gel or poly gel, or I have seen people actually use regular acrylic to set the gems in. So use something stronger is my point if you're going to be using these on an actual person, but I'm not. We're just going to put them on Carmen. She's so gentle with her nails. They will not pop off. Let's go ahead and top coat these others and add the gems to the other Frenches. And while we do that, guys, I have literally nothing planned for Friday yet. Not sure yet what I want to do. I'm looking at my calendar where I have all my ideas up for the month, but nothing on Friday. So if you guys have an idea of something you'd like to see me try or like to see on the channel, let me know in the comment section, because maybe that's what I'll pick for the Friday video. So if you've got something you've been wanting to see, or you just want to see me try something specific, let me know. Maybe that will be the idea that gets picked for Friday. We're finishing up all of these Frenches here. I love how the gems look on the French nails. I feel like I could have gone on the green ones as well, but it just makes the Frenches a little more special. Let me know in the comment section, should I have gone for gems on all 5 or just the 3 with the Frenches? Okay, guys, this is how they look hot. This is the warm color. I think they came out super cute. This is the colder color. Which are your favorites? I'm partial to the colder color, but that warm color is pretty as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We are going to see you on Friday for another awesome one. Mwah. Bye-bye.